everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today I'm making Hollandaise sauce for the asparagus. It's pretty simple. A few ingredients, and if you want, you don't even have to measure, because you can always put more in if you want. I have my sister's garlic mushroom olive oil, and I gave it a couple of turns in the bottom of that. And if you really like oil, you can do more. Then I have lemon. When I do lemon, I do it in capfuls. So I figure that's like half of a tablespoon. Second one will be a full tablespoon. My tip is to rinse this before you put it back in the refrigerator so it doesn't end up sticky on you. Next, we want to use our garlic. So I give this a shake. Drop in some garlic. And we have some black pepper. Salt. And some parsley. Then the last ingredient is the big one, Dijon mustard. That's what it looks like. And we just have to mix it up, give it a stir. There you go. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you like asparagus and Hollandaise sauce, hit that thumbs up button. Let me know that you like this. Don't have a lot, but you don't want to drown your asparagus, so we'll just pour this over it. There we go. I have it all off the grill. Asparagus, but we did make our Hollandaise sauce for the asparagus, and that's going to be delicious. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right hand corner, and if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also, more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.